you want to help me do this mold screening? Here, can you open it up? Got instructions. Let me see that. We've got 6 of these test plates we can do. So why don't we open up one of them? Okay, we're gonna test the carpet in here. Test this big guy. Okay, let's put the lid back on it. We need to put tape on it, and we need to write living room carpet right there.
Okay.
So, living room carpet. Good job. And we'll do the other ones. Okay, this one I want to put in my bathroom. Okay, I put one out here next to Eden's plants because you can see there's a little bit of mold growing on the terracotta. We'll see how this one does. It has to sit out for an hour and then we'll close it up. Go ahead and dig it out, sis. So we want to be real careful that we don't bunk the lids. You're supposed to use tape. We ended up using rubber bands. Now I can see why that wasn't our best move. Okay. Oh, that's our indoor garden in the garage. Looks like maybe 3 different kinds of mold there. Kind of looks like that guy. Bathroom. Looks like normal levels. Kind of looks like that one. And then this one is our living room carpet, which clearly has mold in it. So you can compare on the chart they give you, and I can see this one kind of looks like what they consider unhealthy risk. Also, the living room carpet, I'm not too surprised that there was some mold there. It's right next to our front door. Typically we keep our shoes outside, but occasionally someone will run inside and forget that they've got shoes on. We're not in a position to replace it right now, so we'll probably try to figure out some sort of deep cleaning for the time being. So what's interesting about this is the indoor garden. Which one was this? Most of these plants actually came from Eden's bedroom, and we were a little concerned about mold, and so we moved them out to the garage intentionally. And even since we did that, we just recently pulled up her carpet in her bedroom because we were like, it just doesn't smell quite right in this room. Like, we were concerned about mold. So since I only used 3 of these little petri dishes, I still have 3 more in my original kit. And I think what I'm gonna do is an air quality test now in her bedroom to see if there's a concern about too much mold in there.